Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Alfa Romeo Giulia. Start by parking on level ground and switching everything off. Open the hood and locate the battery cover, then remove clips carefully. Gather a 10 mm wrench, gloves, and the replacement battery that matches voltage and terminal layout. Disconnect negative terminal first, then positive, remove hold down, swap batteries, and reconnect positive before negative to finish safely. Prepare tools and protect vehicle electronics before you start. Use a 10 mm wrench and a plastic trim tool to free any clips without damage. Employ a memory saver or note radio and ECU settings to prevent losing configurations. Verify the new battery fits the tray and matches required cold cranking amps and terminal orientation. Have rags and baking soda ready to neutralize any acid residue for a clean, safe swap. Start removal by loosening the negative terminal first, then the positive, to minimize short circuits. Remove the battery hold-down bolt and any bracket, and carefully lift the battery straight up using both hands because it's heavy. Inspect terminals and the tray for corrosion or damage and clean with a baking soda and water solution if needed. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto parts store properly to comply with regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.